Real
Don't
fast.
be the be clinker.
Who's gonna be the clinker?
I will rip your balls off.
I'm going to show you the
He's a movie
power
clinker.
of chaos control.
Is this the movie Sonic? I can't really tell. Is it
You'll never be me.
the movie Sonic Metal?
Chicken.
Yeah.
I'm the real deal.
I like it now.
Okay, I'm gonna be recording.
I like this. If you say that, why you instantly get killed?
Why are we running? Why aren't we just walking?
Yo!
Oh my god.
I saw it running as fast as me when I want a chili
It's
dog,
all
bro.
because of you. It's your fault. You're nothing 6'7", and now they're gonna kill me.
Good, let it happen.
No,
Like
just
someone
say it.
cut you,
Just
let
say
me
it.
see
They're
it.
never gonna be me. They're
Please
gonna be
do.
all
That's hot.
chicken.
Anyway,
What?
give me the freaking picture. Hold
Give
on.
me it!
Anxious dog. Wow. I feel like this is stolen art. Low key.
Where's the chicken?
Map window.
Oh shoot, don't know! Shadow, it's not worth it.
I love clankers.
Oh, it's my dog. Okay, here we go.
Sonic. Hello.
Yeah, it's my dog.
Mwahaha. I'm so evil.
Is that a dog?
I'm flustered. I don't like this.
Yes, that is a dog.
Shadow, ugly.
Okay.
Anyways, find the valve.
What?
Okay.
Find the valves. There was a sign
the
saying
valve.
find the freaking
Why are
valve.
the balls in your mouth?
This can't be that.
Wait, is it one of them?
You'll never be me, Chica. I'm the real deal.
Chica doesn't even know what's here. Guys, look in.
I'm sorry. Don't leave me here.
Maria.
Maria? Wow.
Find the balls in your mouth.
Get
I just want to go back to Maria
away,
now.
Tails! You're annoying!
Say it.
Oh, a valve.
Say it.
Yo, I found
Wait, that's a
valves.
valve. Oh Jesus!
I thought it was a part of the model. I found it like a while ago, actually.
Wait, this is the bell?
Yeah,
Oh,
they
cool.
blend in with the map. Boop, boop. Anyway,
Got it.
one of them could be here, twin. Dig in your butt.
Okay, how many valves?
No idea. I only got one. There's no counter, twin, and no apparently queue for these valves.
Sonic, if you led them straight to us, you'll never be me, Jacob! Oh my god! You're mean, Blaze.
Shut up.
I don't care! You'll never be me! Hello?
It sounds like you need a cigarette break, twin.
What?
Nothing.
What?
You need cigarettes,
What?
You
twin.
guys like
You
dating
need
or
to
something?
smoke. What? Ah. Hey, Tails. The chicken wants you. She wants you. She thinks you're pretty. Go get her, twin. Anyways, more valve. Yay.
I've been touching people every day. Not anyways, my fault.
I'm
Flip
scared.
off. That was a flip. Okay, that was my fault.
What, twin?
Yo, I think we found the exit, guys.
What are we supposed
Hey,
to do with
anyway,
these
I found
valves?
2 bulbs. I found 2 valves.
One. Valve.
I found 2 balls.
Ball.
I found 2.
There's one ball
I got
on
two
your
balls.
hand. There's one ball on your hand. Palm. Wrist.
I got 3 balls.
Yup.
You have no
2 more.
balls.
2 more on your chest. Yeah. Yeah.
Then I got 5.
My fish sticks are done.
Fish what?
I got 5 balls. And you got 1 ball.
Give me 1 second.
Your gem on your forehead.
That's not a ball.
Do you guys think
It is.
It's not ball shaped
like some
though.
type of
It's a tumor.
If I take it out and put it back in, would you feel pleasure?
That would be crazy.
Blaze, come here. I'm gonna take out your gem and put it back in. I'm gonna see. Yo, Tails.
Bro, my
I swear to God, if you don't stop kidding or farming, I'm gonna lead her right to you.
why are they so freaky? Oh wait, my gem is circle shaped. Oval shaped.
Yeah, chill.
I'm so depressed when.
She'll never beat me.
Yeah.
She wants to beat me so bad. They're beat up and ugly and broken.
Can we even escape this place? Hold up. Ding in your butt, twin.
I just miss Maria, man. I don't want to do any of this.
That's too damn bad. That's why I killed her. I'm joking.
Crazy.
No, I pissed on her. Not kissed. Pissed on her. Right at her.
That's not funny.
Show my dominance.
That's very evil, actually.
Let me out. Don't.
Gotta kill me.
I know what
Blaze, you gotta protect me. You gotta kill me.
I won't kill you.
I know what that gem is.
Yes, you won't. Yes, you will. Blaze. Come here. You're gonna protect me.
Nah,
What do you mean?
I'd
No,
win.
You're gonna protect me. You're trying to kill me.
nah. You're not a femboy, so I can't protect you, Tran. Dig in your butt.
You gotta protect her. You gotta protect me, her.
Let me out, twin.
You'll never beat me, Tika! Never!
Is it a do-
Blaze, you gotta protect me.
Let me- no.
She's coming! Yo, she's coming! I literally just heard her.
She was right behind me.
It's insane.
Why does Blaze not like me? I'm cool. Shut the fuck up,
Come on.
black. Huh?
I got your ear.
Okay,
Fine,
Tran.
stop flirting with Blaze, bro.
I got your nose.
No!
Sonic actually ships on A's. We should get Sonic away from me.
No.
See? Like, what am I saying?
Hold on to that 5 minutes.
Exactly what I'm
I
saying.
would to mess up her ear, my hogger.
Yeah, you miss it.
Nah, bro, you want to do a lot more than mess up
here.
your ear, bro.
No, come here. I'm gonna mess up your ears.
Bro supports.
Hey,
Bro had the freaky
Forget
potion,
about
the
it.
freaky potion.
No, I can't. It's my hogger.
Crystal.
Bro, you support.
It has no scent, apparently.
Chips, bro.
What?
Said that.
you don't support me. That's right.
That I support the ships. For Maria? Maria's dead because of me. I killed her. Not you.
I'm not gonna lie.
Crazy.
I would actually dominate Maria's cheeks, bro.
Huh? Why are they so freaky? Get me out! What the? What?
Yo! Dale, I was just joking, my hogger. My hogger! No! No! Wait.
For like 1 second, twin.
No!
Leave. Let me out, twin.
This man cannot enter the door. You're getting started.
Corny. This is so bad.
No matter of fact, switch army to the crate. Yeah.
Sorry, what you say?
That's what I did to Amy.
I'm blocking you, unfriending you.
Yo, I was just joking. I was just joking. Wait, what? What?
Did you know that Sonic actually supports Honey's?
I didn't say any of that.
He does.
Okay, twin.
I support. Wait, what?
You should totally date Sonic.
I did the same thing.
Nah. I'd adapt.
Isn't he canonically your cousin or something?
Nah.
Ah.
I don't like him. He's.
Anyway, Sonic said he really likes you. Ever since you
What?
Yeah, he said it.
Nah, come here. No, come here. I'm
No,
touching you.
you're
Come
lying.
here.
You've been harassing me
I'm
for
touching you too.
I'm
Tails.
not lying. I have no reason to lie.
Tails.
I'm being so for real.
Tails.
What?
What you're doing right now is some false shit.
Wait, do you have the tails to that avatar? Like the canonic tails?
Bro.
This?
Not.
Yeah, the same
That is the
avatar
canonic
creator that made. No, the other one. The one that looks like this, but made by that creator.
Yeah.
Yeah, they decided. Anyway, I'm gonna go assert my dominance. Chica! If you can hear me!
Oh, shoot, no, I only have the one made by, come here.
Ow, 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 ow.
I'm kinda scared,
Wow.
Chad.
I know you didn't
Yały.
do that.
Chica! If you can hear me! You suck!
Yo, where's your jam? Hold on. That scared the shit out of me.
No, she has a gem that kinda acts like a butt plug.
Oh, so if I take that out and put it back in, she would feel pleasure?
Yes.
Wait, is these, wait. She poop out
Why
of
do
there?
y'all like butt plugs? I'm crying.
What?
No.
Can Shadow just execute already? I'm crying. Don't
Shadow.
I'll be right back, chat.
Shadow on a
Sonic is actually
so stinky.
What?
So
I
stinky.
only bought one.
Get in the car. Oh,
Okay.
I'll be right back. I gotta get the avatar
I
to
only bought
that.
one for my friend.
I bet.
Shut up.
Shadow already likes a butt plug.
We know that
You
already.
guys
Chat.
disappoint me every second.
No, I do not.
But see,
I mean, Tails admitted it.
Bro, what?
Tails admitted it, then you gotta admit it too. It's only fair,
I
Shadow.
don't have an extra tail, bro. I just have 2 tails. That's it.
Yo.
Oh god.
That extra tail.
Y'all are
looks
so
like a tail.
stupid. I'm getting the freak
That extra
out.
tail in the middle.
Let
of
me
your
out.
pants sure does. Look
Why y'all so freaky? I wanna get out. Is there a valve? Dig in your butt when.
I'm involved.
Go ahead, Nick. I've been talking to you, Tails. I was talking to Shadow. Yo, what the fuck am I hearing?
Latinos bouncing?
Yeah, Latinas.
No.
Yeah, Latinas.
Nah, that's Latina bouncing on me, Shadow, not you.
Why are your shoes black? Crazy?
And cut off. Cut.
Cut off
Yo,
your
my fault, Shadow. Hey. I'm about to beat the fuck out of you. I already knew that!
Stop swearing.
I'm blue, dabba dee dabba
Oh shit,
dabba.
wrong avatar, not wrong avatar, bro. Wrong.
Go away. I think it was a slip up. Shadow, and
Slip
I'm
up?
circumcising you.
You what?
Not again.
Circumcised Shadow.
Yellow.
And I'm
Not again.
circumcising you too. There we go.
Scary times.
Because Rouge did that twins, I don't want to do it. I don't know if it's Rouge.
And I'm circumcising you too, boys.
How would they even work?
Why me? I'm not male.
She doesn't even have a dad.
Oh yeah, I am circumcising you too.
Got circumcised when you were a baby, bruh.
Oh.
Emo.
Wait a minute.
Anyway, according to my calculations, what the
Tails,
fuck?
where the heck are we?
I forgot I had cream as my background chat. Am I cooked?
Yeah, you are most definitely cooked. Yo, shoot.
Okay, so Chico. Mama ain't raised no little girl.
Hey guys, I found something. Okay, just hello? Why does this always happen whenever I find something cool, huh? Hey guys! Guys! I found something! I found something! Guys! Guys! I found something! I found something cool!
Bro, Blaze, are we serious?
Oh, we did it.
I found the evolved.
Shadow, why are you so black?
Shadow, why are you
Why
black?
are you black?
Why are you blue?
Why are you black? Why are you
Why are you purple?
Shadow, why are you black? That's a better question.
I'm diseased.
Mama yellow?
Black arms? I don't know.
No, why are you black in general?
Wow.
Because he's
Yo, what the
Hispanic.
heck is this?
Shadow isn't actually black. Shadow's Hispanic.
Is he?
Sonic?
So
Sonic.
go. Oh,
Sonic.
that's why he loves Latinas. He's Hispanic.
Oh, that makes sense.
Well, that's, you know, deep.
Oh no, Blazer might be a Latina. Son, how you feel about that, bro?
Yo.
What?
Puta.
What?
Oh.
Check out it.
Yeah, puta.
Beaner.
Konnichi.
Tough.
Yo, konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna look for Blaze.
You're konnichi, Nick.
Yep.
Oh man, I wonder where Blaze is, chat. We should totally go down there.
Guess what, guys?
I should totally find that. Wait, no, I can't do that.
What? I wanted to show something funny. Can't I be funny? What? Hold up. Gas valve. Yep. Valve. Oh, I can't even place them. What? Oh. Blue. I'm feeling blue. Oh. Why am I being so... Did they all get executed? No. I didn't hear any,
I think Maria liked that though.
Oh.
No, Sal's kind of
people.
Canonically lost.
Stop scaring me, Blaze. You're purple.
Blaze, I swear to God, I'm gonna touch you. Stop scaring me.
Why do you always have a
Look at the wall.
weird gem on your head? The walking lark. Are you serious?
I'm gonna take
Yes.
it off, please.
I was so
I've seen
serious,
that
twin.
movie.
Blaze, why do you have a gem
No,
on
I'm
your
gonna go find
forehead?
I'm an alien. Gleep glorp.
Are you? Can I take it off?
Maybe?
Right, literally.
Nah. It's my tumor.
Oh my god, my cereal!
Loser. This is why you guys log in. Oh, well, yummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Oh. I have to retrieve our greatest clinker ever. I love clinker. Why am I here again? Let me out. The moment I enter a new place, I get immediately lost. Oh my god. Is this the new place? I can't tell. Hope they all got executed. Genuinely. Wishing the worst upon myself, probably. Dude, is this the same place? Huh? Damn, it looked like an elevator. Damn. Bro, I just wanna meet metal. My metal pookie. I'm gonna actually explode. I wanna play some music, but I don't wanna get... What? Can I get copyrighted? No, I don't think so. Cause I'm...
Oh my god. Yo, what is Shadow doing, bro?
Being in the hot sweat.
I dare you
What?
to go over there.
Twin.
Hi.
I found 2 valves. These losers keep dying. I'm gonna go find more. Okay, I think this is where I went.
Nah, bro, I'm leaving, bro. I'm leaving, bro.
I wanna go home.
Bro. Hey, C67.
Blaze, I will find you.
That's good.
I found you.
Okay, twin.
clinger, bro.
Guess what? Tails. Tails. Guess what?
Yo.
Tails!
Yo.
But
Stop that if I say the word. If I say the words, are you gonna stop? 6, 7! Get me out! Eagle. Bro, is not an
go away,
eagle.
nerd.
Come on, the big one.
You're the nerd of Tails!
At least I'm not the big one,
Tails, you're
Daddy.
the tech guy.
He's not one of us.
Racist what? Crazy? What? Why?
Whack, 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 whack.
Bro.
Metal, four.
That's it, I'm not gonna fight anymore. Wow.
No.
What? No! That's my tumor, I'm gonna die! Peak clicker action.
Pull it out.
Conquer, I go with you. In Sonic, you go.
Dude, I'm an alien that's gonna kill me if you pull it out. I'm an alien, it's a part of me. It's like pulling out someone's ear.
Alien, it's a part of me.
I'm scared, man.
What? No, I
I'll
don't.
remind you, bro. Remember that yesterday when that big old, big hearted child came in the server? Remember that?
No. Anyway, I'm gonna go find you.
What is what I'm talking
Yo,
about?
that,
Corny.
no, she was secretly a man?
The walking LARP. The walking LARP. Twin.
Yeah, stay quiet on that, didn't you?
Put your bitch ass up, bro.
Look at the wall. Look, Sonic.
Yo.
Look. There was a horse. Look!
Yo.
Look! Me and you twin against the world. Bye!
Was that Peter Griffin and Lois?
Probably. There's
That's
Chica.
Peter Griffin
Don't
and
go
Lois.
there, please.
Oh my god. No.
She's right there.
Sonic.
In the
Right
freaking
here?
hallway. In the hallway. I swear. Twin.
I don't see them.
I such a
There's no one
summer.
there, bro. Why is Sonic a skinwalker now, bro?
I saw Sonic XC earlier.
Chill.
Twin, I'm scared.
It's fine,
twin.
it's fine.
I love XC stuff. I'm such a nerd.
Yeah, we're good. No, we're not.
What are these head boxes? Where am I? Oh wait, is this the same place? No! That's why there's 2 of them, because developers are lazy. I'm gonna explode. Lazy ass developers. They could never. Where am I even going, twin? People start digging in your butt, twin.
It's not gonna let us.
Wait, Shadow, wait. Get your black self back down here. Hold on, we gotta wait for everyone. Wait, how did you get here so fast?
I wanna
Actually
go
scares me.
home.
I've got a table after me.
Sonic, can we go home? I wanna go home, twin.
Nah.
It went after me 15 times out.
Well, I'm gonna bring
Yo,
the
it's
clanker.
sad how you
with me.
counted.
I'm going with the clanker home.
Wait, can we go?
What?
Well, it's being real. It was actually, but
Sorry, Shadow.
you're not sorry. You're not sorry. You're not sorry.
Oh my god! Help! Oh my god, Amy!
What happened to make it do?
Foxy World is still making.
Yes, Quill's
Is still making. I would appreciate any donations on Ko-fi. Which
Well, anyways, I'm going home, twins. We're going home.
Get your butt back here. Yeah. We're waiting on Tails in that clinker.
I'm gonna find some Latinas, Sonic.
Tails, I swear to God, come on.
I'm gonna find Latinas in my house. I have them buried in my yard. The corpses of Latinas.
Oh my god, helps.
There's a shotgun
Oh my
buried in
god,
the toilet.
helps for thanking me. What? Foxy World is still in the. What the hell did you guys get up here?
Yo, what the?
Where'd he go?
I don't know. Oh, there's the clinker.
Foxy World is still in the making. I would appreciate any donations on coffee, which I do not get since the release. Okay. Bro, why did you leave me, bro? That's actually fake. You're actually so fake, bro. Yo, who's laughing, bro?
Blaze, why would you laugh? Why would you laugh?
She doesn't laugh like that, bro. She has a Russian laugh.
Racist.
It sounds like.
Yo, you're getting
That's hilarious.
so canceled for that. I'm telling you.
Cancel, bro. Stop. Yo, calm down, Blackie.
Yo.
Before they kick you out,
Anyway.
fucking jail too, bro.
That
That was
not
very
funny,
racist of you,
man.
Metal Sonic.
Tails, let's get out of here. Let's go, you black.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
Shut up. Latina?
You alright?
I'm fine,
Hey,
Fan.
you
What's
alright?
this place? I can't see the name.
Good.
I'm fine. Let's go with Fan. Mwah. What? What is this place? I'm going insane. I'm sick of this. I just want to do my own role plays. Bro, is this Half-Life again? My frames are not gonna survive. Looking down immediately, I can feel the lag. By the way, it's I didn't even load into the world, and it's already lagging. What? Crazy?
Wait, this is my old house.
Yes, world.
Yo.
Oh, my frames! Yummy.
What that? Are you laughing right now?
No.
Why are you
Thank you
laughing?
so much, Tails.
No.
Okay.
Turn around, Blaze. It's alright, man.
Chaos blast.
Okay, I'm done.
Oh.
I wanted to see if it was eye tracking.
Is there? Oh,
I mean,
maybe
sort of
there's
got
the
it on.
complete script. Okay, Twan.
There probably is one.
Are you guys like dating or something?
Dig.
No.
Twan. No!
What?
We're friends.
Yo, she just said yes.
Totally Twan.
Anyway,
Wait,
everyone
no!
reset your eye height.
16.
My
Crying,
exes want me
Twan.
dead.
Oh my god, she's 16? Oh my.
I'm 17.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it.
Job
I'm not gonna do it.
application.
Yeah, the first one.
You okay?
Where's my job?
Tanya,
Wait, where's my job?
I'm fine. I'm always like this.
I want to go back to the prison escape.
Bro, nobody's
Just making
everyone's
sure.
tired
Not
of
prison
bro.
escape again. That sucks. That game is horrible.
Bro, okay, bro. Like even for me, I love Prison Escape, right? But bro, you play it every single day,
I keep
think
getting
I'm
executed every time.
like all the time. Like it be
I'm
making me
fixing to
feel
go
so.
so.
Are you laughing? Are you laughing?
Oh, great.
It's so funny. It's
I keep always
racist.
getting killed.
Everything racist funny.
freaking executed whenever I wanted to
I'm not
fucking
doing any-
went. I vented once. What? My fucking ass hit.
It make me so mad. Like
Shadow, I'm
every
touching
single day, I be touching little kids. They try to run away, but
It's all right, Blaze.
Hmm?
Every single day.
It's all right.
Huh?
It's all right.
Bro, Sonic, stop trying to raise up
Sonic,
your
I'm
age.
going back
It's
to the
not
Ark.
working.
I'll see you
Nick.
later.
Yeah, I'm getting
Anyway,
raised up.
Blaze, we
Alright.
got your own chair here. You're welcome.
What? Why is it?
I think the
why is
purple
it two
color was
chairs?
called like it was
Violet.
purple.
Racism.
I'm not
Racism.
racist.
The flavor of racism. Yummy.
I just made a sound.
Stereotypic.
It's so tough. Are you
So
drawing
you
a
drawing
dick right now?
balls?
Why is she drawing hairy balls right now?
Oh man, I can't undo.
Blaze, I know you're trying to draw balls, but like,
Can you
there's
please make your
kids
circle?
here.
I'm not a kid. I'm 48.
yo,
If anything, I touch kids. But I need a cough.
There you go. Everywhere you might stop, everywhere you might go, everywhere you feel, you might wanna.
Whoa, she's not, bro. She's not drawing balls, bro.
oh,
She's drawing a weird bumblebee.
you drawing balls?
I don't know what that is, bro. It looks like a weird snail thing.
It's Kitsune.
It's a bug. Tails, if you don't stop, I'm gonna slap the shit out of you.
Yo, calm down, dude.
My hugger.
She knows.
Very nice drawing.
Yes, it is. It very much.
What did I do?
Exist. You're so gay.
When the wind falls.
Oh my gay, I'm trying to comfort you, man.
No.
When the wind blows,
I would
you
adopt.
gotta follow the flow.
Dig
When
in
you're
your
not
butt,
certain
twin.
tomorrow. Follow the flow, follow the wind, follow
How about the
Follow the wind, follow the flow. That's all you gotta do to smash the
It's a W chair, right?
destiny.
Nick,
Yeah,
you
but
didn't
why
get
is
the
there a
chair I did.
second
Shut
one?
the fuck up.
Lol.
Huh?
Why is there a second one? Twan?
For your fucking cat or some shit.
What?
All you need.
Huh?
You need it.
For her,
Which one?
for your cat, totally.
What
Don't
did
have
you name
cats.
the cat?
That would be slavery.
What's the cat
That
name?
would be
Is it-
slavery. I'm crying.
Okay, I'm done.
Can you stop? Seriously, it's not funny anymore.
Okay.
Like the first time it's funny, but the
Tails,
second
finish the
one.
sentence. Finish it. Finish the word. Tails, finish the word. Tails,
So you ever really need
finish
all
the
you
word.
really want all
Well, the
that's
first-
in your sight.
Person, they're trying to raise up a female.
That's all you ever wanted.
What's your
Cancel.
what's your
Execute the
the
twin.
letter? What are you gonna do? There is
Nigga.
no J.
Nigga.
No J.
You guys do know that I'm still recording, right?
Yo! Yo!
Nigga.
I never knew. You never told me if you were recording. Hold on.
Sai, you asked me to.
Hey,
I asked you and you never responded.
hey, Mr. Cut My Life.
Because my headphones turned off, I didn't get to respond.
good,
Give me a second.
So emo.
Fucking left.
Oh,
My bad, Blaze.
Yeah.
execute the. Are you not recording? Am I the only one still recording? Are you serious?
Yeah, you were literally the only one who's still recording. I never recorded.
You guys are stinky. The longer the video is, the more content. I got 4 subscribers. 4. I'm so
like-
jolly. Stop! Shut up! Shut up!
Sonic, she's hissing at me. She's hissing at me.
Blaze, did I tell you about hissing at people?
That's a
I'm
bad kitty.
hissing. I'm telling him to shut up.
Yeah, bad cat.
What is
What?
doing?
Guys,
You're
are we
gonna
not
have to
gonna?
eat your
He's
bird
so
food out here, bro.
hostile.
He has to eat his bird
Crying
food out here,
twin.
chat.
Where's my drawing?
Hey, Sonic, I'm gonna need that. Yeah, give me that pen. Give me the pen. Give me the pen. Bro has to be emo or some shit. Oh, it's a grunt.
Yo, ball knowledge.
It's a grunt from Madness Combat or Combat Madness. I don't fucking know. Forgot.
No, it's Martha's Combat. Yeah.
I know that ball knowledge. Hold on, let me see
I know
that
what that's
pen real
from.
quick.
It's the
Hold on,
same.
Let me look in.
Same categorization from where Hank is from. Don't remember the name of it. No.
Why
Madness
did
Combat.
Sonic leave, Lamar?
Well, Sonic's still in the call with me. I don't know about you, but yeah.
Oh.
Yo, that's
Ask
you.
him,
Grunt, I'm
twin.
drawing right here, chat. Oh, this is so tough. And then here's the hands. Yeah, bro. That's a W grunt right there, if you ask me. Grunt. Sonic. Sonic, get back in the game, bro. Sonic, did you know that Amy's in here bent over? Or some shit? I knew it. What are you drawing right now?
Horse.
Boars?
Horse.
Boars
H.
or anywhere? She said that.
I'm crying, twin.
Boars.
We're drawing boars or whore anywhere. She said that.
Wait, are all Russian people like white?
Maybe.
Dumbass.
Sometimes.
Wait, is there any black Russian people?
Chelsea
Mixed ones. Maybe. If they
The
got
hell's
enough.
next?
Why does he laughing? Why does he keep laughing? I'm crying, twin.
Stop it. What is wrong with this piece of shit?
Tails, finish the word.
Not me anymore.
Finish the word.
Let's see it.
YouTube,
Tails
I'm gonna get
is-
demonetized. I'm crying, twin.
Finish the word.
Great.
There's a difference.
No more channel. Sigh.
All right, bet.
Yo, I was just joking.
Nah, it's good. Trust.
Yo, I was just joking, my
I
hogger.
ain't joking though. Sonic
Yo.
loves
Yowie.
Big
Booty.
nah. Black.
Boob.
Nah.
Chickens.
I
Male
mean-
rooster. Male rooster. Where's blue?
Yeah, finish word, Sonic.
Black.
Finish word,
Kinda
Sonic.
blue.
Uh huh.
Finish word, Sonic.
Sonic
Okay.
loves big black clock, bro.
I'm crying, Twin.
And matter of fact, I'll keep going, bro. And what the hell? Can somebody tell him to stop being emo in our backyard, bro?
Sure. Job application! Job! 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 Get a job!
Job! Get a job!
What? What?
He's so me, Twin. My throat hurts now. Yay.
Oh nah, I can't allow that.
Whoa!
Sonic.
Tails is a
Yo.
fanboy. Yo! Pete.
Yo, what
Stop
the fuck?
insulting yourselves. Crying. The emo woke up. The emo woke up. Holy shit, holy shit. Job! Job!
Good job, Metal.
I'm telling you to
Blaze, stay completely still. Blaze, stay completely still.
I be touching kids. What the fuck?
You guys
Yo.
suck.
Yo.
I'm crying, Twin.
I almost threw my controller in the process. God dang it.
Don't worry, I avenge you, Blaze. Yo, can somebody
Yo,
tell me to
pencil.
stop being emo in our front yard?
For real.
Sure, Twin. Job application, job!
Job!
Well, guess what? We can fly too, Twin.
Sonic.
Hiya! Job application! Twin, we're still role playing. Can you lock the fuck in? Twin!
You're looking for me off here.
Can you tell him to role play?
Finish the word.
Metal Sonic is still
Fanboy
emo.
and loves money.
Nah, let me try. Let me do it. Move! Get the fuck out.
Matter of fact, I'll write one for Blaze. Blaze.
Tee-hee, tee-hee, tee-hee. See that?
Bet! Nah!
Yo.
Nah, I got this. I was going PG-13 right there. It's going past that.
I'm being executed
Same.
anyways by YouTube.
Sonic.
I love YouTube.
Tails, not Tails, Blaze, you like balls in your mouth.
Ooh.
Ew.
She didn't,
No.
She didn't deny it, though.
No! I
See,
don't
but the
like
thing
you,
is, you
Sonic.
didn't
You're
deny it.
sinky. No.
You're sinky.
Sinky or sinky?
I'm sorry. Hey, Metal.
Can you tell Metal to start role playing? Why did he even join us? He wasn't even there for most of my video. I'm crying, Twin.
I'm cool.
Cool.
This cornball.
Amy, and I say explode.
Exactly.
Matter of fact, I'll just say it. And I'll record it real quick. Sonic realized that Amy had a car and started beating Amy.
Futa! It's called a futanari.
I was gonna say,
I know
I'm
ball.
cool and same as Tails, but okay, I'm leave that alone.
I don't think bro was gonna write that.
I'm being so for real, I was just about
What?
to write that.
What's up with this Chinese music?
I was.
Bro! Can
What's
you
this
stop
Chinese
being
music?
strong in
Oh,
our yard?
Da-da-da-da-dun-da-dun-dun-dun. Da-da-da-da-dun-da-da-dun-dun-dun.
Well, it's like that N word for
Being
Russian people.
executed.
Wait, is
Nish
there an
name,
N word?
name.
Is there like a word for like an N word
Communist.
for Russian people?
Honda.
You can call them
Answer my question.
communists. Communists.
This name.
Actually,
Like,
have
what
no
is
idea.
Shut the fuck up!
The most
Is there an
popular,
N word for Russian people?
the most popular slur is communist. That's all.
You're a communist.
Do you know what the? Do you know what the fuck that means? I don't know what she
I
just
don't
said.
know what that means. Communist.
Oh my fucking god.
Call me a nest.
Communist.
Call me a nest. Call me a nest.
I'm getting
Call me a
out.
nest.
Let me
I
scratch
don't know
my
what the hell
balls.
that means.
I need to scratch my balls. Hold on.
Scratch your balls, bro.
That's what my
No
cock
way!
is.
I caught that on
yo,
camera! No way!
Call
Y'all
me a
are
nest.
getting fired. Ooh.
No, I'm not.
Holy.
Why
Anyways,
is
we
there
should totally end the video
There's a
here.
mirror. There's a mirror, twin.
I never knew that.
Dig in your butt, twin.
Yo, there's a mirror.
Yo, there's a
Yo, we should totally end the video here.
camera.
Why is Sonic and Blaze in the same bed together, chat?
Yo, that's touchy for that.
Nah, why are you leaving now?
Yo.
Why are you
Boys,
guys
can
in
we
the
end the
same
video
bedroom?
here?
Why are you guys
I'm not.
digging your
Fucking
butt,
not.
twin?
Call me a nest.
Call me on this. Call me on this. Call me on this.
Y'all are
Call me
so
on this.
I
bad.
thought you said call me a nest.
Call me on this.
Call me a Nick. Anyways,
Oh my
so
fuck.
that.
Is it?
Freaking God.
Isn't it pronounced claw? Like claw
Amy,
me a
can
nest?
fucking
Sup, you
Blaze.
claw me a nest.
Blaze,
I don't know
can we end the video?
Yeah, sure.
Yo, who messed up her ear? Look at that.
Claw. Oh, I got it. There you
Nah,
go.
bro, don't fix it.
I fixed it.
Make it worse.
Claw me a nest. Claw me a nest.
It's that worse.
Shut up. You're stinky.
Make that junk